In today's video we are comparing the Sonos Sub Mini and the SVS SB-1000 Pro subwoofers side by side. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these subwoofers, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with the Sonos Sub Mini, this compact wireless subwoofer fits seamlessly into smaller spaces and pairs beautifully with soundbars like Beam or Ray, delivering dramatic depth that pulls you right into your movies and games with dual woofers facing inward to cancel out distortion. While the SVS SB-1000 Pro counters with a massive 12-inch driver and 325 watts of RMS power that can shake your entire room with effortless authority and reach down to 20 Hz for those truly gut-punching lows that you can feel in your chest. Yet the Sonos keeps things incredibly simple with its Trueplay tuning that automatically adapts bass to your specific room acoustics using an iOS device, whereas the SVS puts you in total control with its groundbreaking smartphone app that lets you adjust volume, manage presets, and fine-tune performance from your couch without even getting up. The Sonos Sub Mini is undeniably the more lifestyle-friendly option with its clean white aesthetic and plug-and-play Wi-Fi setup that requires zero technical knowledge, but the SVS SB-1000 Pro offers a more traditional, audiophile-grade experience with its wired connectivity, rigidly braced cabinet, and advanced DSP processing that ensures pinpoint accuracy across every frequency, making it the clear winner for dedicated home theater enthusiasts who demand reference-quality bass. However, if you are pairing with a Sonos soundbar system or want something unobtrusive that still delivers impressive performance for everyday viewing, the Sub Mini is your perfect match with its force-canceling design and sealed cabinet that keeps everything tight and musical, while the SVS demands a bit more space but rewards you with that extra extension and headroom that makes action sequences absolutely breathtaking. The Sonos lacks the raw output and depth of the SVS, and the SVS lacks the seamless wireless integration and room tuning simplicity of the Sonos, so your choice really depends on whether you prioritize convenience and ecosystem harmony or maximum bass performance and customization. For most people who want a balanced, hassle-free experience with surprisingly deep bass from a tiny footprint, the Sonos Sub Mini is the better everyday choice. But for those who crave that thunderous, room-filling low end that makes every explosion and drum hit feel visceral, the SVS SB-1000 Pro takes the crown without question, and both are available at the best prices through the link in the description below, so click that link now to secure yours before they sell out.